Hello boys and girls, so I wanted to show you the virtual classroom that I created for everybody. And so instead of actually reading a book, I thought I would just kind of show you what I have set up here in our loft, in our house. So I brought a lot of the things that were in our classroom here to the loft and created this little corner. It's kind of like a little academic place. And I have my computer with a desk I put here. I have a little reading chair, so I'll be doing some reading. I have a tripod that I'm going to be trying to figure out how to hook my camera to. And then these used to be my children's bedrooms, and they've grown up and moved on, so I have this extra space up here, and I'm going to be working on creating some fabulous lessons for you. Let me see how I can turn the camera around. Can't figure it out. So anyway, that's what I have for you so far. So I look forward to talking with you over the internet, I guess through Dojo. And I'll do a little bit more when I can figure out how to turn my camera facing me. So I'm just figuring all this out. I hope everyone is doing well and staying home and staying safe. Bye.